Electromagnetic waves or EM waves are the waves that are created as a result of vibrations between an electric field and a magnetic field. In other words, we can say that EM waves are composed of oscillating magnetic field and electric fields. Electromagnetic waves are produced due to electric fields versus magnetic fields. The two fields interaction gives electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are formed when an electric field comes in contact with magnetic field. They are also known as electromagnetic waves. The electric field and magnetic field of an electromagnetic wave are perpendicular. That is, electric field and magnetic field, both fields are perpendicular to each other. That is right angle to each other. They are also perpendicular to direction of electromagnetic wave. Electric field, magnetic field both are perpendicular and also perpendicular to direction of electromagnetic wave direction. Suppose EM wave ఒక డైరెక్షన్లో వెళ్తూ ఉంటే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ రెండు పర్పెండికులర్గా ఉంటాయి. అలాగే డైరెక్షన్ కూడా పర్పెండికులర్గా ఉంటాయి. అది రిమెంబర్ చేసుకోవాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. A time varying magnetic field acts as source for an electric field. That is, time varying changing magnetic field creates electric field. Similarly, a time varying electric field creates magnetic field. Whenever current passes through a conductor, that means a electric field changing, that gives rise to magnetic field. Current పోతుంటే కండక్టర్లో అంటే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ మూవ్ అవుతుంటాయి. టైం వేరియింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ produces magnetic field. Thus, any of the above field changing with time, a field of other kind will be introduces. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ కానీ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి చేంజ్ అవుతుంటే ఖచ్చితంగా అనదర్ ఫీల్డ్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ విల్ బి క్రియేటెడ్. The relations between different parameters of a wave when a wave is traveling is called wave equations. Similarly, the wave is traveling through conducting medium. What are the parameters? What are the properties? It will be changes. When the wave is traveling through free space, when the wave is traveling through conductor or dielectric, like that, the wave equations we have to derive. Those wave equations can be understood easily. If you know this topic, then you can easily understand what are the wave equations of electromagnetic wave. According to Faraday's law, the Maxwell's third equation, one table మనం చూసాం కదా, ఆ టేబుల్లో థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏముందో అట్లా ఫస్ట్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. అకార్డింగ్ టు Faraday's law, del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T. Now we are taking curl on both sides of the equation 1. Del cross E equal to minus dou by dou T of del cross B. Del cross E can be written as del into del dot E minus del square E equal to minus dou by dou T of del cross B. That make it as a equation 1. As per Gauss law of electric field, the Maxwell's first equation, that is Maxwell's first equation is del dot D equal to rho V. We have to remember what are the Maxwell's first equation. What is Maxwell's first equation? Del dot D equal to rho V. Now D equal to epsilon E we can replace. Similarly, del dot D equal to epsilon E we replace with the del epsilon not E equal to rho V. That is del dot E equal to rho V by epsilon. For free space, rho V equal to 0. Hence del dot D equal to 0. Substituting del dot E equal to 0 in equation 1, what we will get? Minus del square E equal to dou by dou T of del cross B. Therefore, del square E equal to d by dt into del cross B. That we can written as B equal to mu naught H. You know that relation. By substituting that mu naught d by dt del cross H, make it as equation. As per Ampere circuit law for time varying fields, del cross H equal to J plus dou d by dou T. For free space, J equal to 0. For free space, velocity of light c equal to 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon E. That equal to del square E becomes 1 by c square dou square E by dou T square. From that equation, c square del square E equal to dou square E by dou T square, or make it as equation A, or del square E equal to gamma square E, where gamma square equal to 1 by c square dou square by dou t square. A and B are the wave equations for free space. Therefore, del cross H equal to dou d by dou t, that equal to epsilon naught dou d by dou t. From equation 2, del square E equal to mu naught epsilon naught d square E by dt square. For free space, propagation of EM wave in a dielectric medium, that is free space, is given by c square del square E equal to dou square E by dou t square. Free space in the sense it is also on dielectric, hence the EVQ equation will be like that, c square del square E equal to, that is. Now EM wave equation in conducting medium we will discuss now. Conducting medium means in conductor how the EM wave can travel, what are the wave equations. An EM wave can traveling with the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second in a conducting medium. The equations of wave, what are the equations will be derived now. From Maxwell's equation from Faraday's law in point form is already we given that del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T. Now in place of B we substituted B equal to mu H. Taking curl on both sides, again we are taking curl, previously what we did, similarly we taken curl on both sides, del cross E equal to minus mu del cross dou H by dou T. Make it as equation 1. Maxwell's equation from Ampere circular law in point form. Maxwell's equation from Ampere circular in point form, that is Maxwell's third law, is del cross H equal to J plus dou D by dou T, where J is known as current density, can be written as Ohm's law in point form is J equal to sigma E, that is Ohm's law in point form. After substituting J equal to sigma E in above equation, del cross H equal to sigma E plus dou D by dou T, that equal to del cross H equal to sigma E plus D, we can replace epsilon E, epsilon dou E by dou T. Differentiating with respect to time on both sides of above equation, del cross dou H by dou T equal to sigma dou E by dou T plus epsilon dou square E by dou T square, that is make it as equation number 2. Substituting equation 2 in 1, what we will get, del cross E equal to minus mu sigma dou E by dou T minus mu E dou square E by dou T square you will get, make it as equation number 3. By vector identity principle, del cross E equal to, we can write as del into del dot E minus del square E. This formula we have to remember, that is vector identity principle. For source free region, the divergence of field is 0, that is net charge is 0. Del dot D equal to 0, that equal to del dot epsilon E also equal to 0. Now del cross E equal to minus del square E, make it as equation 4. Using equations 3 and 4, we can write minus del square E equal to minus mu sigma dou E by dou T plus mu dou square E by dou T square. Now from that equation, del square E equal to minus del square E minus mu sigma dou E by dou T minus mu E dou square E by dou T square equal to 0. Make it as equation 5. This is the wave equation in electric field, that is through conducting medium. This is the very important equation, del square E minus mu sigma dou E by dou T minus mu epsilon dou square E by dou T square equal to 0. That is the wave equation in electric field. Now we go for derivation of magnetic field, wave equation in conductor when magnetic field. Similarly, the wave equation can be derived for magnetic field will be like this. The Maxwell's equation from Ampere's law in point form is del cross H equal to sigma E plus epsilon dou E by dou T. Directly we written that del cross H equal to J in place of J we can substitute J equal to sigma E. After that, taking curl on both sides, again previously what we did, taking curl on both sides, del cross H equal to sigma del cross E plus epsilon del cross dou E by dou T, make it as equation 6. Maxwell's equation from Faraday's law, what is that? From Faraday's law, what is the Maxwell's equation? That is Maxwell's third law, that is del cross E equal to minus mu by dou H by dou T. Differentiating with respect to T on both sides, del cross dou E by dou T equal to minus mu into dou square H by dou T square. Substituting 7 and 8 in equation 6, what you will get? Del cross H equal to minus mu sigma dou H by dou T plus into minus mu epsilon dou square H by dou T square. That is del cross H equal to, we can write equation 9. By vector identity, del cross H equal to del into del dot H minus del square H. Now H equal to 0, del dot B equal to 0 for a conductor inside. Hence, we can write minus del square H. Why del dot B equal to 0? Because it is in conductor. In conductor, inside magnetic field is 0. Hence del dot B equal to 0. If B equal to 0, B equal to mu H, you know that. Hence H also 0. Therefore equation 10 will be del square H. By substituting equation 10 in 9, minus del square H equal to minus mu sigma dou H by dou T minus mu epsilon dou square H by dou T square. Hence del square H minus mu sigma dou H by dou T minus mu epsilon dou square H by dou T square equal to 0. This is the wave equation in magnetic field when electric EM wave travel through a conducting medium.